wena wa telela bafana wena wa telela o reng wena mfana ke tlo pokorola wa telela wena bafana
Zvet.
Bona are exchange na bena uhlaya
Dankoo. Hola.
Heita. Impilo ka Lova. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, we are born and nice fine gents. We are going to the beach on a random Sunday, So yeah, do join us. Enjoy, like, subscribe. Just buy bafethu. All the way from Joburg, especially in the gents, nobody really comes from here. So it's really times like this that keep us going. It's really times like this that give us that nudge to say we're doing something. I mean, look at the views. The air is different, The minute you reach the ocean, you can digest the fact that you're far from home, and the possibilities are limitless. I think Simon said it in this video somewhere. He was like, not perfect, just limited edition. So it's really times like these, it's really moments like this when you let go of your daily routine and let go of the places that you are used to, and you go out and stand on the side of the fence and just look at life as if you are getting an out of body experience. Because now when you are outside like this, it's really the time when you get inspired, when you get to really introspect and see yourself in moments and different places, So yeah, seriously, I might tell you guys stories, I don't know, but yeah, seriously, yeah.
back. The hunters bafika bakhipha the njezi bamphambanisa, they shoot at the nigga kodwa bamisa loda thina bebangeke basenze next nje nafukwa sublutho thina subnix
this space of creating, in this space of envisioning and bringing visions into reality, nobody really talks about the difficulty in executing, the difficulty into seeing all your ideas coming into reality. Nobody really talks about the difficulty that comes with what eats you when you don't see your ideal reality coming into actual reality. We look at so much how to be positive, we look at so much how to pull through, to preserve, and how to self-develop, but we neglect talking about difficulty because I think it's a topic that we all don't wanna engage in. I don't know, I just see my surroundings avoiding the topic of the fact that it's difficult, let alone the fact that we talk about how to wake up and pick up and kill it, but we neglect talking about the difficulties and what could be holding us back, So I don't know, life has two sides. For me, life has two sides, the positive and the negative, and why not look at both so that you learn. You need to learn from failure, you need to learn from errors, you need to see yourself through and need to know what really takes you through. So yeah,
Mali.
Update ama-outing achintsha ukuyenza ngoba sinenza ama-ride into ezinaks nokwandela imali.
Why you
Torong kami siya Samson. Ay. One confident booster. Look at that highlight.
feel the need to work yourself up there, but you are not. It's all just words and no action. Why is that? Why do you self-sabotage? Get up and get serious. The pain of discipline is less painful than the pain of regret. All you do is talk and talk and talk, but you barely move a muscle. You barely take the risk. Who do you think is going to hand you everything you deserve? You know you come from a bare minimum. You probably even come from nothing. You are the only one who's making ends meet. Why are you settling there? Take yourself seriously. We live with cognitive protection program. Every time we try to take ourselves out of comfort, we quickly self-sabotage, we quickly self-destruct. But you know this. Ungavuki nawe asibesiya.
Pasar. Ya.
Sebafuna belum kulala. Ya.
Not perfect. That's
folks that are getting difficulties but not talking about them. This one has to go to those that are going through hardship and not talking about them. You know, I think somewhere in life I've learned that no matter how much you're going through and no matter what you're going through, you don't need to close space for other things, because other things are gonna come and probably lift you up. Sometimes other things are gonna come and distract you from that bad situation only to find yourself in another good situation. So this one goes to everyone that is struggling but not really talking about it. Hey, I see you.
Sentabeni, mari ise beach. Sentabeni.
Alanto ukuthi sawuvula ukukhuluma ngama-heartbreak. Bheka amathambo omzimba mayophume kanje. Like i-evidence yokuthi ungethile lo mntana wami. You. Ayabona engangibulalanga. I'll never be killed by anything. Look at the hair. Bekintshebe iyashoda amathambo ngathi kuzo mamanzi ase-ocean lapha emahlombe. Yes. The level of avoiding to talk about heartbreak and what we go through when we go through heartbreak. Nah, it's the pits, man. Yo, nganje. Yo, menzi umama kuyazi ukuthi kanje. Yo. Ay.
Okay, back. The hunters bafethu bakhipha the jeans issue bamphambanisa they shoot at the nigga kodwa bamisa loda thina bebangeke basenze next nje nafukwa sub nicks
Wabenze kangaka. Wala ukara waho.
Think we have to have a plan B for survival.
Yeah.
If at all we don't have plan B, then we're in shit. Do you know that? We are in shit if we don't have plan B. Then we have to think about plan B.
Thank you Mpila, thank you Mali, thank you Mdali. Impilo kalova bafethu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Asibe siya.
Akitholi, akisheli, akikomi, akikhulumisa intombazana.